smallest one.
Yeah.
But I started it. And this is Moon Lullaby by Cherriuki. And what's the size, Rocket?
It is 60 by 85 centimeters.
60 by 85 centimeters. So all of these paintings we showed you right now are all in round beads. This one though already has special treatment. So half of this is not yet done, whereas the other half, point to the half that's done with beads, Rocket. Yeah, so that part is already with special treatment, and I am placing in the special beads in particular areas. I'll make a separate video how I did a special treatment on this, so if you like the look, you can just simply follow that as a guide. Alright, so hopefully next week we'll be able to complete at least this section of this painting. So yeah, 3 work in progress every week.